All right, good job.
Whoa.
Oh, Edward, Emma had it going that time.
Mom, good.
You got a stick? Thank you.
No, wait.
Yeah.
Good job.
You're a good hula hooper. Oh.
Look, Mom.
Do you like hula hooping?
Yes, I do. Look, Mom. Look, Mom.
That's pretty good. Uh-oh.
What?
You're doing good. You're like a professional. All right.
That was your longest hula hoop ever.
Good job, Em. Oh. That's a good job. Are you good at hula hooping?
Yes, I am.
Can Edward hula hoop?
Oh, no.
Why not?
He doesn't know how to hoop. Oh, I do.
Oh, okay.
Mom likes to do the hula hoop.
I like your house.
Thank you. Who's next to my house?
Sure. We need to water your plants. They're not looking too good.
Why does it look too good? Ooh, what's that?
Go in, Edward.
Hey, yeah, look.
Yeah.
Hiya.
Hi, Edward. What are you doing in there?
No house.
Oh, it's a house?
Yeah.
Where's the phone?
Hi. Oh,
Who are you talking to?
hi. Look, Mom.
Yeah, phone.
Hi. Hello.
Who
Hi,
you-
Lulu.
Oh, okay.
Hi.
Let me try the other side. Oh, Edward has an important call to make.
Bye.
Bye, Edward.
Cheers.
All right. Okay.
I love you, Dad. Cheers.
I love you too, Emma.
Mwah.
There's your sink. There's your stove to cook. Very good.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh. Mama. Look.
Just get the peaches.
Yay! Two.
What are you playing, Edward?
No. Play.
Are you playing?
Yeah. Get Mama.
Oh, yeah, get that one.
Oh. I want to go. like in a walk.
Good job. You're cutting that fruit up.
Nice boba. 10, 8. Ow! And Libra.
I see.
Oh, man.
You did that one already. You gotta pick another one.
Get my
Mm-hmm.
blue. Let's count how many stars he caught. Click on them. Una,
What are you playing? Dora?
Dora. Cuatro, stars. Estrella. Yeah. We got another printable page.
Hiya.
Boo, boo. Adventure book. Open your book to print. Ma, boo, boo.
Oh, Boots? Puss in Boots?
We need to unlock the door. Find the key with 3 points. Dada, Mama, look! Click on the look! Oh. Look, and Libra. Mama.
Comfortable?
Look.
You want me to help you?
Yeah. Look.
Here. I'm gonna go back.
That was good. Go back. Go fast. Edward, are you on your thinking rock?
Yeah.
What are you thinking about?
Look.
Oh, a rock?
Yeah, look.
So you're thinking about a rock on the thinking rock.
Yeah,
It's pretty interesting.
look.
Say Edward. Yeah, very good. Cheese? I'm taking a video, not a picture though. Do you like taking videos? Okay. Cheese. Oh, there's a bug.
Huh?
Yeah, there was a bug. It was flying by my arm. More cheese?
Look, Mama.
Who's that?
Mama.
Oh, she's coming on her bike. We see her. There she goes. You're going to get stuck in the muck. Oh, you want to see her? Look, there she is. Who's that?
Emma.
Yeah, Emma. Going to sit down again? Edward's thinking spot in the trees on his rock. Oh, you like to think there too? Okay. Can you count to 10?
1, 2, 3, 4. I didn't get an 8.
Okay. Yeah.
Do you have my helmet for riding my bike so I don't fall off and bang my head?
Yeah, we'll get your helmet.
I got my helmet. It's in the garage.
Okay, I'll go get it in 1 second.
Cheese.
I'm taking a video, not a picture. All right, let's go get it. Oop! And he keeps going. So now you have your helmet. You're sitting on the bench taking a break. What's the matter?
You don't want to take it off.
Now you want to take it off? Come here. We have to clip this. There you go. We're not taking pictures. We're taking videos.
Hello.
Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Say hi, Grandpa. You're too close.
Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa. Hi, Dana.
Good job, Emma. You keep saying cheese. Get out of your way. You're stuck? Okay. Oh, I think Emma's gonna ride.